What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, you can see it in the title, you can see it in the thumbnail, I'm gonna be steaming my hats for the first time. Normally, since I've been buying hats, I use my hands to curve my brim, and that's been working out fine for me. But I know that I'm not the best brim bender, so if a steamer will make it faster and easier, why not give it a try? I'm all set. I have my brim bending tools here. I have the steamer, which I picked up from Amazon. It's just a basic handheld steamer. I'll link it down below in the description for y'all. I have a bottle of water. It's just some Poland spring water. Don't use tap water on your hats. Just don't do it. It's not a good idea. And then I have this like canteen or water bottle that I'm going to be using to actually curve the hat around. So I have everything that I'm going to need. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on because it's going to take about 30 seconds to heat up. Let's get to it. So this first one's going to be like a test run. I've never done this before. I'm going to go ahead and take the stickers off of the hat that I'm going to be using today. Got those off, and this is the Hat Club College crossover, the Detroit Tigers joint, and the steamer sounds like it's ready to go, so let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna steam this. Oh, that's hot. All right. You want to get it damp but not soaked, and you also want to make sure that you hit both sides, so that's what I'm doing right now. I feel like this is enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. Yeah, this feels like it's enough. Take the water bottle and just wrap it around. And I did it so that the two, let me fix this so y'all could actually see it. You can see the two sides are even. You don't want them to be uneven because then it's going to kind of mess up the look of your crown. So there it goes. I'm going to hold it there for about a minute. So this is what it's looking like right now. I held it on the bottle for a little bit longer than a minute. And you can see the curve. It's pretty deep. I like more of a shallow curve, a slight curve, but I'm pretty sure it will flatten back out a little bit when I try it on. These wrinkles at the bottom, I don't think there's much you can really do about that, but I do try to use my fingers to just like smooth it out a little bit. But I'm gonna throw this on and we're gonna see what it's looking like. So here's what it's looking like on my head. I like the curve. It's a little bit too curved for me. Like I said, I like more of a slight curve. So I'll probably flatten this one out a little bit, but not right now. I'm gonna do a second hat, and that one I'm gonna try and do more of a slight curve on. This way at the end you can kind of see all of the different results that I got. So this is what this first one's looking like. Not bad at all. I think it's a clean curve. What do y'all think? Down below in the comment section, let me know what you think. All right, so we on attempt number 2. The steamer is heating back up. I'm gonna go ahead and take these stickers off. This is the Hat Club Yodi Mets hat. You see the Vault Green brim. Very nice hat. So I'm gonna go for a more slight curve with this one. Definitely watch your fingers. Like, the steam is very, very hot. It may not look hot, but it's hot. So watch the steam. I think that's enough. Let's bring the bottle back and just wrap it around again so that these 2 points are even. And I'm gonna just hold it here. This time I'm gonna try and go for more like, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. Last time I let it run for longer than a minute, so let's see. Not sure how many seconds that was. Probably around 30-40 seconds. And here's what the curve is looking like. Definitely not as curved as that Detroit hat. It's more of a slight curve. And I'm actually gonna just kind of pull out the sides a little bit. So that kind of looks like how I normally wear my hats. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on. I'm not gonna hold you. This one is looking really good. This looks like how I normally wear my hats. Slight curve. Yeah, I really like this one. The steamer might be the way to go. I don't know if I'll be hand bending my hats anymore. Again, let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section, but I'm feeling it. So just to recap a little bit, both of these were steamed and I used the bottle to curve them. Here's the Detroit Tigers, which I left for a little bit longer. You can see the curve is a little bit deeper. And here's the Mets hat, which I pulled out the sides a little bit to give it more of a slight curve. I really like the way that this one came out, but to each his own. Some people like more of a deep curve, some people like more of a slight curve. Either way, I think they both came out fire. So I have another hat here. The steamer is getting ready to go. I'm gonna take these stickers off, and this time I'm gonna try to steam the hat, but I'm gonna use my hands to bend it. And the steamer only takes like 30 seconds to heat up. Like, it's really no time at all. It's a little lint on here. Let me take that off. Okay, so the brim is soft, hands on both sides. Again, keeping these 2 points even, and I'm just gonna roll together. I know some people, they do like this thing. I don't know, that doesn't really work for me. Sometimes it kind of gets a little pointy in the middle, so I don't do that too much. But again, to each his own. It's whatever works for you. I probably look hella focused right now, but that's because I am. So that's basically what I normally do, except for you can see I use the steamer to soften up the hat a bit. And here's how this one came out. I don't think it's bad. It's not bad. Y'all let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on. All right, so here is steamed and hand curved. Let me know what y'all thinking. It's not bad. I don't think I did, a terrible job. It's not looking crazy. But again, I feel like I'm just gonna use the steamer and the water bottle from now on. Once you find something that works and works quickly, why not just stick to it? So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show y'all all three together side by side now. All right, let's get it. So the one on my head, hand curved, no steamer involved. That's what that's looking like. Then we have steamed using the bottle. That's more of a deep curve. I held it on the bottle for like a minute, maybe a little bit over a minute. Next, we have the Mets joint, more of a slight curve. This is like perfect for me. I love the way that this one came out. And that was held on the bottle for about 40 seconds or so. And then I pulled out the sides a little bit just to, loosen up the curve a little bit. And then last we have the Spearmint Yankees, which I steamed, but I used my hands to curve. I don't think it looks too bad, but I do think the Mets looks better. I'll say that. I'm liking the steamer, y'all. I don't know. That might be the best $22 purchase I made in a while. But for the one time, I wanted to try something fun with y'all. So I used this hat in a TikTok the other day, basically about breaking your brim. It happens to the best of us. It is what it is. So you can see this hat is broken in several places. Like I said, it was a joke. So of course, this is a bit exaggerated, but if I could bring this back, then you could bring anything back. If you're not following me on TikTok, I'll leave my handle on the screen and down below in the description. And remember, I always have a hat club link down below in the description as well. Use it for your hats, your pins, your accessories, so on and so forth. This is an old hat. I've had this hat since I was in high school, so over a decade ago. I'm gonna try and flatten it out a little bit before I hit it with the steam. So I think that's as flat as I'm gonna get it. Okay, so the brim is soft. I think that's, just about right. I'm gonna go ahead and put it around the hat. Okay. And I'm gonna hold it here for a minute, maybe a little bit more, just to see, how curved can we get it. If we could fix this, you could fix anything with the steamer then. I'm a believer. I'm also holding the front because there was like a really, really deep break right there. So I'm holding it to the bottle just to make sure that that smooths out. Okay, so here it is, and you know what? It's actually not terrible. Like, this brim was looking crazy before. I'll go ahead and do a side by side right quick so y'all can see, but this brim was looking absolutely crazy, and it doesn't look that bad anymore. There's still kind of like, you know, you can see it's a little pointy right here, but the sides kind of smoothed out really nicely. Yeah, this is not bad. The steamer might come in clutch for a lot of people who have hats to fix. I'm gonna take us out with the Yodi joint on. So if you enjoyed today's video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. It helps the video get out there into the algorithm. Definitely check out the other content on the channel. I upload multiple times a week. Sneakers, streetwear, everything in between. Y'all not walking out of here butt naked with just hats on. So check out the other content because it'll help you out as well. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.